Okay, what's happening, guys? So I got a SaniSpeed Plus over here. Water wasn't draining out. You can see the washing machine here. Wasn't draining out, coming through, it was clogging, and then it ended up coming out there. So what I've done is on the top, the part that it's meant to go out, I've disconnected it, and you can see the clunks of shit that seems to have accumulated over time. And I think that it was so much of this that it just had all backfilled because it was meant to be shooting up. Anyway, as soon as I undid that, all of it just came out. But I think that it's been fighting this over the past good week plus. And then over here, which is the original bucket it fell in, I'll take a bit of the water. You can see it was just full of this fucking shit. Sorry for the language. It stinks as well. But anyways, that is part one of trying to fix my SaniSpeed. Wish me luck.